Checkmyfile Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of Checkmyfile Credit Score Tool. Links to this tool are included in the description below, so feel free to explore those for more details. In this video, I'll cover its features, target audience, and why it stands out among credit score tools. Checkmyfile is a comprehensive credit score tool designed for UK residents. What sets it apart from other platforms is its ability to provide a multi-agency credit report by combining data from 4 major credit reference agencies: Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, and Crediva. This ensures you get a complete and accurate view of your credit profile, as different lenders use different agencies for credit checks. One of the standout features of Checkmyfile is the side-by-side credit comparison. Instead of logging into multiple platforms, you can see all your data consolidated in one place. This includes credit scores, account history, public records, and even financial associations. The tool explains what each entry means, making it beginner-friendly and perfect for anyone who feels overwhelmed by complex credit reports. Checkmyfile also offers a 30-day free trial, which gives you a risk-free opportunity to explore its features. After the trial, it costs £14.99 per month, which is reasonable given the depth of insights it provides. You can cancel anytime, making it flexible for short-term or long-term use, depending on your needs. Another great aspect of this tool is the support team. If you spot errors or need clarification on your report, Checkmyfile's experts are available to help you dispute inaccuracies and improve your credit profile. This is especially helpful for anyone rebuilding their credit or addressing specific issues. Checkmyfile is ideal for individuals who want an all-in-one solution to monitor and understand their credit standing across all major UK agencies. Whether you're applying for a mortgage, consolidating debt, or just staying informed, it offers invaluable insights to make better financial decisions. In summary, Checkmyfile delivers detailed credit insights, user-friendly explanations, and unmatched convenience for UK residents. Check the links in the description and see how this tool can empower you to take control of your credit today.